Did you know nearly 70% of self-made millionaires in the US started with less than $1,000? Their success isn't about luck, but about mindset, determination, and action. In this journey, we'll guide you through the steps to go from financial struggle to success, offering real-life examples to inspire and motivate you. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about wealth, it's about pushing past limits, overcoming obstacles, and relentlessly focusing on goals. Financial growth is closely tied to personal growth. If you embrace this journey, you'll discover the power within you to change your circumstances. Debt, bills, and limited opportunities keep people trapped. These challenges can feel like impossible burdens. It's easy to fall into a mindset of scarcity, believing you'll never have enough. But here's the truth. Success isn't about the hand you're dealt, it's about how you play it. Many people find it hard to envision financial freedom, but it starts with a decision to change your mindset. Countless individuals have transformed their lives, rising from difficult financial situations to becoming millionaires. One person started from nothing and became a millionaire through perseverance, creativity, and hard work. They grew up in poverty, wearing secondhand clothes, and feeling out of place. However, they had a spark within them, a belief that they were destined for something greater. As they entered adulthood, they faced struggles in finding a well-paying job and lived paycheck to paycheck. Still, they didn't give up on their dreams. One key decision this person made was to invest in themselves. They focused on learning new skills, reading books, and taking courses. This investment took time and effort but laid the foundation for their success. Eventually, their hard work paid off. They got a better job and built a small financial safety net. Their turning point came when they realized they didn't have to wait for opportunities, they could create their own. They started a small side hustle, which eventually grew into a successful business. This enabled them to leave their full-time job and focus on growing their business. Soon, they achieved their goal of becoming a millionaire. Their financial success wasn't just about money, it was about changing their mindset. They realized they were capable of anything, which gave them the confidence to face new challenges. Their story teaches the importance of perseverance and maintaining belief in your goals. Even when the odds seem stacked against you, start by evaluating your mindset. Are you operating from a place of scarcity, or do you believe in your potential to achieve financial freedom? Invest in yourself, read books, take courses, and learn new skills. This will create new opportunities for your future. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks, whether it's starting a side hustle, pursuing a passion, or changing careers.